Hey guys, this is Raphael, and I'm going to make a quick review of the C and the J toy trains, Wooden Edition. Okay, let's start with the C. The C is 8th Avenue local. Yes, it's a real thing. I met a train in real life. Yes, they're in real life on the subway. Now, in real life, they actually use R32s and sometimes R160s, which they suck. And I also heard from the Super Subway brothers saying that the local is faster than the express. Okay, let's forget about that. It's okay, but the worst thing about the worst thing about it is that the wheels are crooked. Let's put this closer. This side is crooked. This side is not. I don't know if the kids were playing it, or they probably, I don't know, threw it on the ground, probably been by accident. I don't know. I bought it at a swap meet for about $3. Good deal. Now for the J. This is actually pretty good. Why? One, I live near J. Two, it actually uses 4 types of trains. R32s, like that one I showed you. R42s, R143s, and R160s. This is an R160. Yep. Nothing new. It's real damage because I was stupid enough that I dropped it on the concrete. This side as well. And the logo's made from Mooney Pels, if I pronounced that right. The wheels are not crooked. They're not crooked, nope. But the sad thing about this is it will cost me 1 car. Both of them. And I have the box right here. It's, like I said, R160. It's licensed by the MTA. It's not that important. Well, for kids. Here it is. Where it's from. Made from China. Sorry. Now, if you can't see that, it costs about $15.59. Back then, it cost about $11. Yes. I don't know why did they upgraded the price from $10.95 to $15.95. What did they add more tax? If you ask why it's squished, it's because my dad accidentally stepped on it because of my sister. And there's some facts about it. You can pause it at any time now. I can wait. Nothing else. It's made for ages 3 and older. Only 1 hardware, non-toxic. I don't know why they do that. And that's all I have to say. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.